Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session we will be studying these 8 syllables that's from here till there. It is on page number 15 and 16 of Al-Qaeda Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Mim Fatha Waw Sukoon Maw. Mim is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a sukoon. Mim fatha waw sukoon maw. Mim fatha waw sukoon maw. Mim fatha waw sukoon maw. So the next syllable we have is Mim fatha ya sukoon may. Mim is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has sukoon. Mim fatha ya sukoon may. Mim fatha ya sukoon may. Mim fatha ya sukoon may. Maw may. Maw may. So the next syllable we have is Waw fatha waw sukoon waw. Waw is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by another waw, and this waw has sukoon. Waw fatha waw sukoon waw. Waw fatha waw sukoon waw. Waw fatha waw sukoon waw. So the next syllable we have is Waw fatha ya sukoon way. Waw is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has a sukoon. Waw fatha ya sukoon way. Waw fatha ya sukoon way. Waw fatha ya sukoon way. Waw way. Waw way. So the next syllable we have is Ha fatha waw sukoon haw. Ha is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a sukoon. Ha fatha waw sukoon haw. Ha fatha waw sukoon haw. Ha fatha waw sukoon haw. The next syllable we have is Ha fatha ya sukoon hay. Ha is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has a sukoon. Ha fatha ya sukoon hay. Ha fatha ya sukoon hay. Ha fatha ya sukoon hay. Haw hay. Haw hay. So the next syllable we have is Ya fatha waw sukoon yaw. Ya is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a sukoon. Ya fatha waw sukoon yaw. Ya fatha waw sukoon yaw. Ya fatha waw sukoon yaw. The next syllable we have is Ya fatha ya sukoon yay. Ya is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by another ya, and this ya has a sukoon. Ya fatha ya sukoon yay. Ya fatha ya sukoon yay. Ya fatha ya sukoon yay. Yaw yay. Yaw yay. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Maw may. Maw may. Waw way. Waw way. Haw hay. Haw hay. Yaw yay. Yaw yay. Okay, this is the end of this session. We will practice those 8 syllables in next session 10 times inshallah, to give you a practice. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.